Right here is payment you receive from affiliate marketing within 10 minutes by selling 5 products. You can do it from any corner of this world easily without any types of experiences or skills or without any types of investment. So this website is called www. Hey, this is make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you didn't subscribe my channel, and please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are new wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching, and if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, this is the first website. I think this is called selz.com. This one is the best and amazing website. You can sell any types of products on this platform easily. These are common criteria. I think if you click on this sale, what type of products you can do, you can sell it from here. This one online store, and these are subcategories over here. And this one is online store builder, selz theme store, custom domain names, free SSL certificate, payment, and smooth checkout blogging platform. On the other hand, existing websites buy buttons, WordPress commerce, online shopping cart, abandoned cart, email, online clothing store. And on the other hand, if you click on these social channels, and this one is Facebook and Instagram also over here. So first of all, if you come to this interface, you will get lots of amazing description, features about this interface. And if you are scrolling down over here and just click on this affiliate and open this one from here, and this one is the common criteria and statistics about this website here. First of all, you have to create an account. Just click on this start free trial, and then you can start your journey on this platform easily. Grow your income as a selz affiliate and become an affiliate and earn 300% commission each time you refer someone to else. 200 commissions. This is the pretty easy to and share from this website easily. So how you will start on this website? Start your free 14-day trial today. Just put on your email over here, and then you'll get this amazing feature. How it works as an affiliate, we will give you a special link and marketing materials to share however you choose. Create an ad, Facebook post, add to your blog, tweet, and more. You will earn up to 200% commission for everyone that is signs up to for a plan through your link. So, and if you come to this, and anyone can become an affiliate, whether you are a blogger, publisher, or a social media guru, you can become a sales affiliate. Monetize your blog through ads and posts. Use Facebook, Twitter, email, or PPC. The choice is yours. So then if you come to this another partner with sales, create an affiliate account with no forms or applications required. So this one is the best and easiest way, I think, to use this platform to start your journey as a newbie or a beginner from any corner of the world. So first of all, come to this start free trial over here, and then come to this interface. You will get this feature, and this is my business name. And don't worry, you can change the name later. And how do you plan to sell through selz? Store, buy buttons, social, embedded store. From here you can click just I have chosen this one. From here, what's your type of business, you can select from here. Then this is the first time, I think. So what products do you sell from here? Videos you can sell from here, software, services, audio, ebook, clothing, and other. Then click on the next button over here, and this one is business name. Business, this one I have selected from here, and this one is another interface. Are you already selling? I am selling but not yet online. Yes, but I use your another system? No, I am not currently selling this one. I have selected from here. Do you have product to sell? Yes, I have already sold it to launch this one. What's your current revenue per hour? So you can select from here. This one I have selected from here. Are you designing or developing a store for a client? This one you have to submit your website if you have, and this one is also optional, and phone number over here, and then submit. This is the best and easiest way to create an account over here. Get great, you are all ready to set up your store. I have created a store on this platform. Then what should you do? This one is orders, items, categories, customers, discounts, store, buttons and widgets, WordPress, marketplaces, points of sale. All the things are over here. What should you do? And after creating an account, you can start your free marketing on different types of social medias. I think Facebook is the best and easiest way to create a store or create a good relationship with different types of groups. I think what type of products you want to sell on this Facebook. So I have searched on the search bar with loss product for sale. There are many groups over here and you can get connected with them. First of all, you have to create a good relationship. I mean, you have to make a good relationship with this group, then get connected, and then finally you can promote your link or product on this particular groups over here for ensuring extra cash or for selling more and more from here. This one is weight loss products, and this one is also same groups over here, and this one is same group over here, and you have to get connected with this group at a glance. And after doing this one, you can promote your products over here. First one, this one is a Facebook group, and second one, if you click on this Instagram, you have to search about this weight loss groups over here, and you can source from the big groups from here. This is the best and easiest way to start your free marketing to promote your products on facebook.com or on the other hand instagram.com. If you know or if you want to know about the sels.com review, you'll get lots of reviews about this website. I think there are lots of people are engaging on this selz.com, and they have given a fantastic reviews about this website. So you can get connected with this selz.com, and if you have a free blogger, you can write an article about that products, whatever you like or what you want to sell on different types of group. I mean, if you want to work on weight loss products, you can write an article on your free blogger site, and then you can start your marketing by using this platform. On the other hand, you can get connected on Quora.com. Lots of people are engaged on this Quora.com. If you just search on this, what is the best platform to establish an online store, and if you ask a question, you will get lots of answers. I mean, authentic answers you will find out from this Quora.com. I cordially request to create an account on this Quora.com, and if you want to know more and more about different types of topics or articles, you can know or you can gather knowledge about that particular article. So after doing this one, you can introduce yourself as an affiliate marketer, and you can promote your products from this selz.com. So this is the best and easiest way. I think if you can target USA or UK people to promote your product, I mean weight loss product or healthy product or different types of product, by creating a store on this selz.com, and you will be gainer more and more, and this is the pretty cool and easiest way to ensure extra cash again and again from any corner of the world, I think. So first of all, I could request to watch my videos, and then you have to create an account on this selz.com. Just put on your email address over here, and then start free trial, and then you can earn more and more by increasing your clients from this different types of social medias. I mean, on the other hand, you can also use your website, or on the other hand, you can use your free blog site. This is the best and easiest way, I think, to create a store for selling extra cash more and more from any corner of the world. Thanks for watching my videos. Till then, I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe my channel Make Money Online. And if you want to get lots of videos, I mean Make Money Online related videos, please like, share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.